up the front of your dress. Lift up the front of your dress so I can see.
Okay.
I can't see your feet. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, now just take one big step forward on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Step forward.
Wait, what is this?
This is your wedding surprise.
What is going
This is your wedding surprise.
on?
Yeah, no, don't worry about it. Just take one big step forward.
Is he here?
He's here. He's right in front of you. You just got to step forward and give him a hug.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Yep.
This is the best first look ever.
I know. So just take one big step forward and then give your groom a hug.
Where is he?
He's right in front of you. You just got to take a step forward.
Where are you?
He's literally right in front of you. Just take a step forward.
Hey.
He's,
Yeah.
yeah, okay, just take one big step forward. One big step forward.
What is, it feels like I'm on something weird.
Yes, you are on something a little bit weird, but that's okay because it's your big day and we want to have a big surprise for you.
Right here.
Yeah, so don't worry about that. Just take one big step forward. Ready? And step forward right now.
I feel kind of wobbly.
No, you're good. Just step forward.
Okay.
Just take a step forward.
And then I don't feel right.
No, so look. Your husband to be is standing right in front of you. You just, yep. He's just an inch away. You just got to take a step forward, and then you'll see your husband right in front of you.
Where is he? We're gonna be late. We've gotta go.
He's in front of you. He's blindfolded also. Just take
Come grab me.
a big step forward.
I feel shaky.
Well,
We gotta go. Come on.
yes, you'll feel a little bit shaky, but that's okay. Just take one big step forward. Come on.
Okay, just take a step forward.
Yes. Yes. Now you see how like the thing you're standing on is like a little bit wobbly.
So well, I don't.
It's a little bit wobbly, right? Now, the reason for that is that you're standing on a piece of wood right now, and that piece of wood is flexing, so you're going to take the leap of faith into your wedding night.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So take one big step.
So exciting.
All right, so on the count of 3, you're just going to take a step out.
We're gonna see each other for the first time.
Okay, yeah, just take a step out. 1,
Okay.
2, 3, step out.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
Every time I lift my leg, I get so
Yeah?
and unstable.
Yeah, okay, so keep your blindfold on, but just take one big step forward, okay?
Okay.
One big step forward. Here we go, ready?
I can't hear his voice.
He's calling to you. See? Yeah?
Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm so excited.
Yes. So just take one big step forward.
Okay, here we go.
It's time to meet your new husband. Just take one step forward, and he's right in front of you, and he's gonna hug you as soon as you take a step forward. Okay?
Okay.
Come into my arms.
All right.
Yep. Give him one big step forward, and then grab him. Ready?
Okay.
Okay. So hold your hands out, and on the count of 3, take one big step forward. Okay?